Happy morning, ma'am.
Very good day, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Very good day, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good day, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Jai Uday, ma'am.
Good morning. Jai Gurudev, all of you. Good morning. Yeah, Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Yes, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jai Gurudev. Yes, we'll start the prayer. प्रार्थना के लिए तैयार हो जाइए. आंखें बंद कीजिए, हाथ जोड़िए.
Jai Gurudev. Happy morning. Join your palms, close your eyes. Prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. श्रीब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् विमलमचलं सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुत्वं नमामि. अज्ञानतिमिरान्तस्य ज्ञानाचलचलाकया चक्षुरुं मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Good morning, everyone. Jai Gurudev. Happy morning to all of you. Yes. So, yesterday it was Hindi paper. I hope everyone has completed and submitted. Yes. So, just tell me, how was the paper? You can write it in the chat box. How was Hindi paper? It's easy, right? It's very easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Isn't it? Yes, super. Okay. This is the paper was very easy because you worked very hard. You always listen very careful. So it's very easy for you. Yes? Okay. So let's start something new today. Just tell me in chat box. Last week something going on in Tamil Nadu, yes? And the government declared red alert. Why? Yes, Nandika, rain is going on, right? Everywhere we can see that rain is here and there. The flood is some area flooded, and there is no power in many areas. Yes, like tufan. Yes, tufan, cyclone, kind of tufan, cyclone. Yes. So, why it is red alert means this is a rain, but what is rain actually? Do you know what is rain? Nishant, mute yourself. Yes, what is rain? What is rain? Rain means what actually? बारिश. Yes, बारिश in Hindi. Rain को हिंदी में बारिश बोलते हैं, बरसात बोलते हैं, वर्षा बोलते हैं. There are many names in Hindi for rain. What? Cloud. Okay, rain means clouds and water drops. Yes. Rain means what? Completely it's what coming from the clouds and it's flowing on the ground. Yes. Water. So water को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? Water को what we say Hindi name? Do you know? Yes. पानी. क्या कहते हैं? Pani. Wow, wonderful. So there is a one more name for pani, that is jal. We say jal. Yes, jal, pani, ये सब कुछ एक ही है. That means water. Now, you just tell me, we always say that water is very important. Yes, why? What is the uses of water? In small sentence, small words you can write. How we will use water? Yes, drink. Very good. That is a very essential. That is a very essential. Cook. Yes, for cooking, for drinking, we need water. And for what we need water? Washing, bathing. Yes, to clean our body, to clean ourselves, we need water. To wash clothes, to wash vessels, we need water. For cook, we need water. Yes, gardening, to grow plant, very good. We need water because where are many plants, we will see the water. The rain is more there. Okay, on the mountains, always you just observe on the mountains, the percentage of rain is very high because on the mountains there are many plants. Yes, so because of plants, because of this big tree, we will have more rain and we will get water. So we have to plant every time. Yes, so even for cleaning our home, cleaning our surrounding area, we need water. For drinking, for everything, we need water. Yes, there are some animals, they need water to survive, only water. And even for human beings also need water to survive. One day we can sleep without water, but not every time. And how much water we will drink, that much of healthy we are. If you are drinking every day 2 to 3 liters of water, that means you will be healthy. You will not get any diseases. Yes. In the morning, normally we have to drink hot water. So just keep habit of this to drink more and more water. Morning 1 glass, compulsory you have to drink hot water. Whenever you are taking care of yourself with drinking lots of water and cleaning yourself with clean water, then no disease will fight on you. This corona, everything, whatever is there in the nature now, spreading here and there, it will not come to you if you are drinking hot water morning, and if you are drinking clean water, you are cleaning yourself. Yes? So the water is very important. And we will get water from where? From where we are getting water? Yes? Okay, river, earth. But river also there is a water, but how it is coming to river? Cloud, rain. Yes, because of rain we will get water and it will going to the river. Yes. सो पानी हमारे जीवन के लिए बहुत बहुत उपयोगी है. अगर पानी नहीं है तो हम सरवाइव नहीं कर सकते, हम हमारा जीवन नहीं बिता सकते. तो जब भी आप आपकी एक आदत लगाएंगे पानी पीने की, तो आपको रोज सवेरे एक ग्लास गरम पानी पीना है और रोज आपको क्लीन साफ पानी पीना है. रोज आपको अपने शरीर की सुरक्षा के लिए, शरीर की अच्छे सेहत के लिए आपको अच्छा क्लीन करना है खुद को. Yes, so there are many things that you just keep yourself clean and you just take care of yourself with water. So water is very important. Now you just tell me, from rain the water we can get, it's going into the ground. Yes, so where we can found the water, where we can save the water, or where we can found the water from the nature. First, where we can find the water? Yes, if I'm going out from the house, from by nature, what is there? Yes, dam we have made. Yes, dam we have made to save the waters, and it will, the dam door they will open and it will go into the river. Yes, ponds are there, well are there. Yes, sea, river. There are many things where we can save water and we will use in the future. Yes, in summer days, almost from March, April, May, there is no rain at all. But we need water. So what we will do? We will always save in dam, yes? And from dam it is coming to the river, and from the river it's coming from everywhere. Yes. So there are many things. Now, one more thing that we have to use water for keep healthy ourselves. Yes, so today we are going to learn about water. What we are going to learn about water. So the next lesson is पानी. Next lesson का नाम क्या है? पानी. प को आ की मात्रा, न को बड़ी ई की मात्रा, पानी. Kunkol. Okay. Many answers I'm coming in the chat box of regarding water. Super. So पानी के बारे में आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं. So पानी को पढ़ने के लिए पहले हम देखेंगे एक picture. Okay, I'm going to show you one picture now, and then you just tell me in the chat box the picture is regarding what. Okay, maybe you have already learned about this picture. Yes, just look at the picture and tell me what is this. Yeah, Rupati, you just check the chat box. Yes, something is going on. The sun is there, the clouds are there, the rain is there on the mountain, and it's going something on the river. Yes, it's going something happening. Yes, what is this actually? क्या कहते हैं हम, क्या चल रहा है ये पिक्चर में? सूरज भी है.
Process of rain, water cycle.
Yes.
Cycle there.
Okay, very nice. This is a process of rain. We can say water cycle. What we can say? Water cycle. उसको हिंदी में कहते हैं जल चक्र. जल चक्र. जल means water. Chakra means cycle. Water cycle. Jala chakra. Now you can see when the sun is very hot, that time the water is also evaporate, and it generate a clouds, and it's consider rain, and then precipitation, and then the water comes. Yes, then the rain comes, sorry, and it's going to the river. Yes, so you can see the maximum percentage of rain, it is going on the mountain side. So this is a water cycle, जल चक्र. और अभी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे पानी क्या है. Why we need water? Yes, पानी. पानी what? Water. इसको हम जल भी कहते हैं. So we have to save one drop of water. Wherever you are going, and if you can see that the tap is open and the water is flowing, that is your duty, that is your responsibility to close the tap, because we have to save our country water. Yes, that it will be useful in our future. So that is your duty, that is everyone's duty, to close the tap. Whenever you are brushing your teeth, don't open a tap complete for 5 minutes. You have to save your water. You just start saving your water from your home, then you will start observing in the society. Yes, so पानी हमारे लिए बहुत उपयुक्त है, इसलिए हमें उसको always बचाना है, save करना है. Yes, then we'll go. Okay, what you can see in this picture? क्या दिख रहा है आपको इस चित्र में? Who has touched the screen? Tanshika. Tanshika, what's going on?
Pani they have written. Jug they have written. Pouring.
Okay, very nice. Tanshika, why you have touched the screen? Don't do this, okay? I will share again, 1 minute. Yes, you can see there is a glass, there is a jug, and the water is pouring. Yes, the water is clean or it's dirty. Yes, observe the picture and give the answer. Water is clean or it's dirty. Yes,
Clean
put it in the chat.
clean.
Yes, very good. So always we have to drink clean water. Better you can boil and you can drink the water.
Written, drinking.
Yes. So we have to drink always clean water. Clean को हिंदी में कहते हैं साफ. क्या कहते हैं clean को? साफ. साफ means clean. And pani means water. We all know the pani means what? Water.
Shuddha they have written. Shuddha.
Shuddha. Shuddha also that means pure. Shuddha means pure. So now let's go for the sentence. हम साफ पानी पीते हैं. Now in the sentence I'm observing one pronoun. Can you observe one pronoun is there? If you can search, you can put it in the chat box. हम साफ पानी पीते हैं. We have learned pronouns, yes?
Hum they have written. Hum.
Yes, hum. Hum means we. So this is a pronoun. Observe whatever we have learned. Saaf. Saaf means what? Clean water. Clean. Pani means you all know now water. Peete hai. Peena. The proper verb. Peena means to drink. Peete hai. Drinks. The verb is changing according to the sentence. Yes? हम साफ पानी पीते हैं. We always drink clean water. Now साफ means clean. The opposite of साफ is ganda. Ganda means you can say unclean or you can say dirty. Anything. So हमें गंदा पानी पीना चाहिए क्या? नहीं, हमें साफ पानी पीना है always. Yes? So better you can boil nowadays in this weather. The water is not clean. So what you have to do? You have to boil the water. And how we can clean the water, do you know? Because if directly we can drink the river water, it is not clean water. There are many bacteria. So there are big filters are there. Aquaguards in our house also there is Aquaguards. Here we can buy the Bisleri bottles. So that bottle water is very clean because they are filtering everything. And if you want again to clean that, you can boil the water and just boil and drink. Yes, पानी को उबाल के पीने से हमारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. कोई भी डिसीजेस नहीं आते हैं. अगर वेदर चेंज होता है तो भी हमारे ऊपर उसका असर नहीं होता है. इफ यू आर ड्रिंकिंग हॉट वाटर ऑलवेज, तो हमें ऑलवेज क्या करना है? क्लीन पानी पीना है, साफ पानी पीना है. हम साफ पानी पीते हैं. हम साफ पानी पीते हैं. Next picture. Just tell me what is going on in the picture. What is going in the picture? Come on. Yes, one boy is there and he is doing something. Yes. What he is doing? What he is doing?
Taking bath.
Yes, taking bath. Yes, bathing. Yes. So bathing, to bath, we can say in Hindi nahana, or we can say snan karna. Snan karna. The two, both the meaning means to bath. Yes. Then, do you know in olden days all the people, they are bathing with the cold water. Nowadays the geyser came and we are boiling the water and we are bathing. But olden days all are bathing with the always cold water. So they are habitual with all that cold water. So whenever the weather will change, the rain comes or the winter season, they will not affect, because they have that habit for their health. Yes, for their body. So in olden days they were bathing with the cold water, but nowadays with the weather we just always bath with the hot water. But here in your book also they have mentioned that हम ठंडे पानी से नहाते हैं. नहाना means what? To bath. यहाँ पे नहाते हैं. Wait. Pani means all, you know. Hum means we, just now we saw. Thande. Thanda means cold. Thanda means cold. And opposite of cold is hot. For that we say garam. क्या कहते हैं? गरम. हम ठंडे पानी से नहाते हैं. से मतलब, the same meaning, sometimes it's to, or sometimes it's with, or sometimes it's from. That is depend on the sentence. हम ठंडे पानी से नहाते हैं. We bath with hot water. Yes? So we'll go back to the first page, that we have to drink always clean water. हमें साफ पानी, हम साफ पानी पीते हैं. हम साफ पानी पीते हैं. The next one, हम ठंडे पानी से नहाते हैं. हम ठंडे पानी से नहाते हैं. So here we can see the two opposite words. साफ, गंदा. साफ means clean, ganda means dirty. Thanda means cold. Thanda means cold. Thanda means cold, and garam means hot. Yes? Next, we'll go to the next picture. Yes? Just look at the picture and tell me what is there in the picture. Yes, you can see everywhere water, water, water. But what is this?
Nadi there, nadi.
Yes, it's a nadi.
River,
well, river. River को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? नदी. Next, pond. Pond को हिंदी में कहते हैं तालाब. And next, well. Well को हिंदी में कहते हैं कुआं. Chandrabindu. It's not looking there. There is a Chandrabindu on arm or Bindu. Nadi, talab, Kuwa. So all those areas, all those places, we can save water. By nature, we can get pond and river. Well, sometimes the man-made. Yes, in mostly in farm side, we can see the well. In villages area also. So from here, we can collect the water. The water comes to our home. Yes. So nadi, talab, or kuwa. Nadi, talab, nadi, talab, kuwa. Kuwa is a one well. Hame. Hum means also we. Hame means also we only. But how the meaning will change? Let's see. नदी, तालाब और कुओं से पानी मिलता है. और means and. मिलता है, मिलना. The actual verb is मिलना, means to get. Yes, we get water from river, pond and well. हमें नदी, तालाब और कुओं से पानी मिलता है. So हम, that means we. हमें, हमारे, हमसे, that everything is related to we only. We have, we had, kind of things it will come. Yes, the English translation for each and every word is not possible because the languages are different. Yes, the grammar part is different, the words are different, meanings are different. So hum and hum से related all the words जो भी शब्द आएंगे हमें, हमसे, that everything it's related to be, ours, like that. Okay. तो हमें नदी, तालाब और कुओं से पानी मिलता है. हमें नदी, तालाब और कुओं से पानी मिलता है. We get water from river, pond and well. Yes, from where we get water? River, pond and well. Come on, we'll go for the first sentence again. हम साफ पानी पीते हैं. We always drink clean water. हम ठंडे पानी से नहाते हैं. We bath from the cold water. हमें नदी, तालाब और कुओं से पानी मिलता है. We will get water from river, pond and well. Yes? Just tell me, can you understand all those three sentences from your lesson? Yes? समझ में आया कि हम ये 3 सेंटेंस है, 3 वाक्य आपके लेसन से, जैसे कि हम साफ पानी पीते हैं, हम ठंडे पानी से नहाते हैं और हमें नदी, तालाब और कुओं से पानी मिलता है. Yes, you understand. Very good. So, shall we play a game, a small game? Yes, everyone is ready? Yes, and I can see the repeated children only giving the answers in the chat box. I want answers from each and every one. It's 79 participants. I want from 76 answers. Yes? And those are answering in chat box. I really appreciate all those children. Very good. Superb. You are practicing to improve yourself. You are doing hard work. You are listening carefully. Very nice. And those are giving emojis. Please stop that. Yes? Please don't send any emojis. I don't want any smileys, birthday plasses, nothing. This is your school and you have to maintain a discipline. Yes? Those who are sending the emojis, the names are reflecting in my system. So behave properly, yes? Yeah, thank you. So let's start the game. I will ask the questions and I will give two options. So you will not be so much typing work. Yes, you can type only option 1 or option 2. So it will be easy for you all to answer in the chat box. Yes. So the first question to all of you, that is, हम वाटर को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? हम वाटर को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? The option 1 is जल, option 2 is मछली. Option 1 is जल, option 2 is मछली. Yes, I'm getting answers. Wow, wonderful. So many children are giving answers. And this is what you are making happy to your teachers. Wow, wonderful. Lovely, all of you. Such kind of participation is a really fruitful to teachers. Yes, then teachers are also very happy to see all of your answers. Lovely. And the correct answer is option 1, that is jal. Jal means also water. Pani means also water. Yes? Superb. So, the second option I said machli. Do you know machli means what? Fish. Yes. Machli means what? Fish. Machli jal ki rani hai. Do you know that song? Machli jal ki rani hai. Yes. Yes. Rani means queen. The fish is a queen of water. Yes. The fish's life is water. If you take out from the water, she will die. But immediately if you're putting in the water, she will be happily swim. Yes. That song is very nice. You have fish. I have fish. Okay. Many of us having fish tank, yes, in our house. Yeah. Superb. So the next question to all of you, listen carefully. I will say the question in Hindi. Okay? Just try to understand and give the answer. The question is, हमें कौन से पानी से नहाना चाहिए? हमें कौन से पानी से नहाना चाहिए और हम कौन से पानी से नहाते हैं? ऑप्शन 1 गरम, ऑप्शन 2 ठंडा. हम कौन से पानी से नहाते हैं? ऑप्शन 1 is गरम, ऑप्शन 2 is ठंडा. Yes, I'm getting answers. Wow, superb. My eyes are only on the chat box. Lovely. Yes, option 2, that is ठंडा. Yes, in your lesson they have told that हम ठंडे पानी से नहाते हैं. We bath with cold water, like that they have told in your lesson. Yes. Okay. So the next question to all of you again. Do you remember what is the opposite word for saaf? What is the opposite word for saaf? I think I don't want to give options. Come on. Let's check. Yes, ganda. I'm getting so many answers. Wow, superb for sharp ears. Very good. Ganda. Ganda means dirty. Yes. So clean का opposite क्या है? Dirty. साफ, ganda. Okay, very good. Now just tell me what is the opposite of ठंडा? What is the opposite of ठंडा? Yes. What is the opposite of ठंडा? Garam. ठंडा means cold. Garam means hot. ठंडा means cold. Garam means hot. Yes, lovely. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute, yes, okay? Yes. Thanda, garam, saaf, ganda. We have learned these two opposite words. Yes. Now, I will unlock to everyone. 1 minute. Yes. Now I want to write something on my board, whiteboard. Rupavati ma'am, you can call any children name, random names, one by one, random.
Take it.
Okay. Yes, I want to write something and you have to read. Yes, teacher will call the name.
2E Smita.
Smita, right? Yes, Smita.
Yes.
Smita, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Smita?
ma'am.
Yes, dear. I will write and you have to read. Yes. Read. Read. What is the first word?
Stop.
The second?
Pani.
Yes. Saaf pani. Saaf pani means? Saaf pani means? Clean water. Saaf pani.
Clean water.
Yes. Clean water. Very good. Yes. The next name, ma'am? Mute yourself, please.
2F Padmesh. 2F.
2F.
Yes, Padmesh.
Gita ma'am. Gita ma'am. Yes. The
Padmesh.
next, yes. I'm writing something. You have to write. You have to read Padmesh. Okay. Yes. Read.
His mic is off, ma'am. Padmesh. Yes, Padmesh. ठीक है धरणी yes धरणी 2E.
Namaste, Adhyapika ji. Ma'am?
धरणी yes you read ma. Yes
Thanda.
आप पढ़ो.
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes.
What
No,
Thanda?
Dharini. Dharini, you just. We have not called Dharini. Yes, ma'am. What is the name?
Padmesh, but his mic is off, ma'am. Now he is on now. Padmesh is on now. Dharani, thank you, ma. Please mute your mic.
Montage, ma'am.
Thank you. Padmesh is there now.
Read. Yes, Padmesh, read. What is the first letter? Thanda. Yes, Thanda means what? Thanda means what? Huh? Sorry? Thanda means what? Again, can you tell me? Thanda means what? What?
Jug is telling jug.
What? Loudly, Padmesh? Loudly. What you are saying? Egg. No. Thanda means cold. Yes. And for egg, we say anda, dear. That is anda. What we say? Anda. Anda means egg. Thanda means cold. Okay. Yes. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, Shayan.
Yeah, mute yourself. Teacher will call. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Next name.
2D Aryan. Aryan A. 2D.
Yes. Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So I'm going to write something. Read.
டேப்ல பார்க்க வேண்டியது என்னாச்சு உனக்கு?
Amakka mighty.
Kamakshi, please mute yourself, Kamakshi.
Nadi.
Yes, Nadi means what?
River.
Very good, Aryan. Nadi means river. Very nice. Yes, ma'am. Next name.
Thank you, ma'am.
2E Ramya K. 2E Ramya K.
Yes, Ramya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you just read this. Yes, read.
Talab.
Talab means what? Talab means what?
Pond.
What? Pond. Yes. Pond. Very good. Yes. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, Sadhana.
Next, Satvika to F.
Something happened. 1 minute, ma'am. I got to go back.
ठीक है.
Yes, yes. Swastika.
Satvika. Yes, to F.
Swastika. What we say well in Hindi? What we say well in Hindi? Kuan. What we say?
Kuma.
Kuan. Kuan.
Kuma.
Yes, very good. Now, thank you, Rupavati ma'am. Now I'm
ठीक
going to share you one nice video. Okay? Just everyone mute yourself and enjoy the video.
टू टीचर्स एक ट्यूशन.
पढ़ाई में डू गुड बनने का बेस्ट सोल्यूशन बायजूस क्लासेस द फ्यूचर.
मैम आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है.
Okay, children, enjoy this. That water is our life and our life is a water. पानी ही जीवन है और जीवन ही पानी है. जीवन means life. पानी means water. Now listen carefully.
Here we go.
जल ही जीवन, जीवन ही जल, इसके बिना न कोई हल. जल ही जीवन, जीवन ही जल, इसके बिना न कोई हल.
Check this out.
झरने, नदियाँ, कुएं, तालाब, ये सब हमको देते पानी. सूख गए जो एक दिन सारे, याद आएगी सबको नानी.
Here we go.
प्यास लगे हम पीते पानी, नहाने धोने में भी पानी, खेती में हम डाले पानी, जीव जंतु सब मांगे पानी. जल ही जीवन, जीवन ही जल, इसके बिना न कोई हल. जल ही जीवन, जीवन ही जल, इसके बिना न कोई हल.
मोटू छोटू बंद करो नल, कर है जीना क्योंकि जीवन है जल. चिंकी पिंकी है जल को बचाना, चिल्ला कर है सबको बताना.
जल ही जीवन, जीवन ही जल, इसके बिना न कोई हल. जल ही जीवन, जीवन ही जल, इसके बिना न कोई हल. जल ही जीवन, जीवन ही जल, इसके बिना न कोई हल.
That's right.
So I hope everyone enjoyed the song. Yes, Jal hi Jeevan, Jeevan hi Jal. Jal means water. One more song. It's now 9 o'clock. We will play the song again on Friday session. Yes, Friday session we will start with the song, and I will show you one more song on water. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's 9 o'clock. Everyone, start reading funny lesson. What is your
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
tomorrow show this video.
Tomorrow is not Hindi class. On Friday, I will show again. Okay.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Have a nice day.